Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to allow participants to join your Zoom meetings before you arrive as the host. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile device and navigate to zoom.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Zoom dashboard where you can access all your meeting settings and controls. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Tap on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options and settings. This is your gateway to customizing how your Zoom meetings function. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive page where you can adjust all your Zoom preferences, from audio and video options to meeting controls and security features. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area since it gives you complete control over your meeting experience. Once you're in the settings page, look at the top of the screen where you'll find several tabs. Tap on Meeting. This specific section contains all the settings related to how your meetings operate, including participant permissions, waiting rooms, and join options. It's where you can fine-tune the experience for both yourself and your attendees. Now scroll down through the meeting settings until you locate the option that says Allow participants to join before host. This feature is particularly useful if you want your attendees to enter the meeting room early, perhaps to test their audio and video or to chat with other participants while waiting for you to arrive. It saves time and creates a more flexible meeting environment. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Tap on it to enable the feature. The switch will change color, indicating that the setting is now active. This means that from now on, participants can join your scheduled meetings even if you haven't entered the room yet. They won't have to wait in a virtual lobby or see a message saying the host hasn't started the meeting. The best part is that your settings will be saved immediately without requiring any additional confirmation or save button. The change takes effect right away and will apply to all your future meetings automatically. And that's it! You've successfully enabled the option for participants to join before you as the host. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.